Yo, Cam.
What's up, killer?
What's for lunch?
Carbonara.
All right, let's get cooking.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.
Guys, welcome back to What's for Lunch. Kam Patterson.
What's up, gang? What it do?
Welcome to the kitchen.
Hell yeah.
All right, today we're making carbonara. Now, guys, I'm gonna be honest with this one. I picked this one for Cam. He wanted chicken parm originally, but Dan Soda already got that.
God damn it, Dan.
Another great comedian, but he beat you to it.
Nah, I like it.
So I prompted this and I asked Cam, you ever had carbonara? You said no. So this is a first for you? First time?
Hell yeah. I couldn't even say it at first. I had to teach me.
All right, well,
Carbonara soda.
It sounds similar. It's easy. All it is this is pancetta, pork belly.
Okay.
Nice pork belly, eggs, Parmesan cheese, and then we have spaghetti here.
Hell yeah.
That's it. And usually you use guanciale, which is the cheek of a pig, but we're using the belly. It'll work just fine. Do you like to cook at all? What's your cooking knowledge?
I can cook ramen noodles.
Okay.
I'm good with eggs.
Okay.
I'm a cereal expert. You know
Yeah. Are you a breakfast guy then?
Other than that though, I'm out of there.
Cereal is I'll give you the bare minimum for
That's a Michelin star, nigga. That's good.
Yeah, cereal.
You gotta get the right amount of milk, right amount of cereal. You gotta make sure it don't get soggy.
You go milk first?
Hell no. You a psychopath?
Some people go milk first.
What you do?
Sometimes I go milk first.
That's crazy.
Sometimes, not all the time.
That's insane.
Sometimes.
If you go milk first, nigga, you crazy as hell. You probably kill people.
But then you can keep adding, then it never gets soggy. Then you add more cereal, you add more. I'm just playing devil's advocate. I don't
If you go cereal first, you put the milk in, you feed the cereal. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
milk's still there. You feel me?
Yes, yeah, but hear me out. You have milk and you have the cereal.
Yeah.
Boom, you put your milk in, you put your cereal, and then you eat it all, you still have more milk, and you'll never get soggy cereal, ever.
I don't like that at all.
Like, what city do you like to do stand-up in based on just the food alone? Food alone.
Shit, I don't know. I was in Kansas City recently.
Okay.
And they kept saying the barbecue is real good, and I don't believe them.
No?
I didn't try it, but I don't believe
You gotta try it. What do you mean? You
I'm in Texas right now, so it's like we got. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
You can't be barbecue. It's Texas.
That's
you
fair.
Feel me?
All right, so we're just gonna get going in the pan, and there's
you
a
put
lot of
butter in there or nothing.
No, as soon as this heats up, listen, you'll see. You want to start it slow because it's gonna render and it's gonna melt out and disappear. If you had to do one sandwich though, rest of your life, you can make one.
BLT, no tomatoes.
What is that? That's not a BLT anymore.
Then the LT.
That's just bacon. That's bacon and lettuce.
Yeah.
That's bacon on bread.
BL.
If you want to just give that a mix, I can get this water boiling. But this is the easiest pasta to make at home. Pasta's pretty easy, but this one you can impress somebody, and it's 3 ingredients: it's eggs, it's like pancettas, or you can use bacon. If you have nothing else, you can use bacon at home, and it comes together really fast. That's it. So we're gonna get that heat going. That'll start sizzling. You'll hear it. I'm gonna put a little bit more in here. It's crazy. See how we were changing colors now? It's turning translucent.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's all that fat. It's all melting out. So while that's going, we'll get our pasta. We're gonna try to time everything perfect.
Who that one lady that be with Snoop Dogg?
Oh, Martha Stewart?
I feel like Martha Stewart right now.
Dude, she's the best.
I love Martha
She's hard.
Stewart.
She went to jail too for tax evasion. Yeah, she's hanging out with Snoop now, and she's cool. She was my judge. I was on a competition show on Food Network a while ago, and she was the judge. Mean as fuck.
For real?
Not nice.
Not a nice lady?
Not a nice judge, but she's judging.
Oh, okay. You did bad?
I'm sure. No, I didn't do bad. I got second place.
Okay.
It's one of those where you open a mystery ingredient and you have like a clock.
Why was she mean to you?
She's mean to everyone. But she's just nitpicky. She's like, oh, I don't like how it's plated on this and that. I was 20 years old. I was like, you know what? I'm happy to be here. So
I feel that.
And then pasta, we'll get this boiling. So now with pasta too, a lot of people make a mistake. They use too much water. You want the water to be just enough to cook the pasta in because we're going to use that water in the sauce at the end. And you get the starch that comes off the noodles. That's going to thicken the sauce. So you have too much water, it's too diluted. And you want it pretty salty too. You want tons of salt in the water. Yeah.
Let me get that bit. Let me hit that bit.
Get in there. You can go nuts with the salt. You don't want to go crazy, but yeah, even more than that. Another one of those. Another 2 of those even.
See that goddamn technique, nigga?
Keep it going. Yeah. You like to cook at all? Like if you had to cook something besides cereal, besides eggs, what would you like to learn how to cook that you don't know how to do? Like something fancy.
I want to learn how to cook a steak. I don't know how to cook a steak yet.
Steak?
Yeah, I should have said that, honey.
Could have said steak. Yeah. Well,
I'll forward it.
Next time.
We'll be back.
This will be good. No, this is a good one to have in your wheelhouse. Yeah, a little bit more. You can go even more. And the salt helps the water boil faster, so it's all going to come pretty good here. And then while that's going,
I'm trying to eat a little better, but it's hard. It's tough.
I think on the road you're kind of
doing what you got to do.
Do you at least get free when you do spots? They hook it up. They get free food there. All right.
That'd be the best shit, but it's still like I would like to eat a little healthy. I be getting salads and stuff though.
Yeah.
I get salads. I be trying to
mix it in.
I'm trying to be a sex symbol soon.
All right, I like it.
Trying to get my 6-pack.
I like it.
So I can't be eating all crazy and shit.
What age did you start comedy? I guess what was up?
I started comedy at At 22.
22?
Yeah.
Oh, you're 25 and you're already doing Madison Square Garden? 3 years?
Yeah. Shout out to Tony.
Holy shit, man.
Nigga changed my life.
Stock, that stock went up fast.
Yeah, hard work.
Good for you. That's awesome. Was it tough at the beginning, or did you have it did you start clicking right away for it?
I mean, I don't think it was really tough. I was determined. If I want something, I'm gonna have it. You know what I'm saying? I was really determined like to get really good at it. And I'm still kind of shitty in my mind, but we're getting somewhere.
I think everyone feels that way though. Yeah. I feel the same way about cooking.
Nah, this shit look phenomenal. I ain't even tried it.
But I feel like did social media help? How much was that a big part of?
Yeah, that was a huge part.
Put clips out and
that was a huge part.
You ever bomb still, or is it all?
I bomb all the time.
Yeah.
Nigga, what? I do this shit every day. I bomb all the time.
What's the ratio between like bombing and killing, would you say?
I mean, it's weird to me because I don't like none of my sets. Unless it's like a real murder, I get really upset.
Yeah.
So it's like, if I have a good set, most of the time, but if it's good, I still think I bombed. I could have did like way better.
Right.
So if I say I do like 12 in a week, I say 6 of them were good. Maybe like 3 of them were like a bomb.
Okay.
And then do the math on the rest. The other ones were like, okay, this is up to par. You feel what I'm saying?
You want to do me a favor? Want to grate that cheese into a bowl? Just go like this, boom.
Oh yeah, I got that.
Easy. All right, see how crispy this got though? Just in that little bit of time. All that white shit now, it's completely melted, transformed. Now all this oil we're gonna mix it with the cheese. Yeah, keep going there. And we're gonna mix it with eggs and pasta water, and that's it. That's as easy as it can get. So I'm gonna crack an egg into that. You keep going. You go with 1 egg, and then 1 egg yolk. Easiest way. Take the top off, put your hand underneath, boom, pulls right through, yolk. We'll check and see how this is doing. Pasta, you want just
I'm missing the bowl a little bit, but y'all got money. You good?
That's fine. I'll clean it up. See how that's you can bite the pasta open. See how the inside's still raw. It's white.
Yeah.
So you want to go until it's a little bit more than that. Maybe 2 more minutes on that, and it'll be done.
I know that I thought you could put that bit back in. I said this nigga is nasty.
No. Throw it in the garbage. Throw it away.
Keep going.
That's good.
I was gonna say a lot of cheese.
Good. That's good. Yeah, it's mostly cheese in this dish. Cheese, eggs, and then the good stuff right there.
It's called pancetta again?
Pancetta. But you usually use guanciale, which is the cheek. That's the belly. Same thing though. And if you really
taste the same?
Taste it, yeah, pretty similar. I mean, here you go. A piece of this.
Let me see.
Try that. It's gonna taste like bacon.
I bet far.
Just to make this really nice for you. To take it to the next level. See all those brown bits at the bottom?
Yeah.
You don't want those. You can strain that off. Just keep these.
Hell yeah. The good bits.
So you want some of that oil, that's gonna make our sauce. So a little bit of the grease still. And we're gonna save some of this water. About maybe a little more than that. I'm gonna get a ladle. All right, then I'm gonna have you whisk the eggs up. Whisk the eggs and the cheese until that comes together into like a paste.
I'm a good whisker.
We'll be good to go. All right, so pasta's done. So now all that pasta, we're gonna kill it. So now what's gonna happen is that residual heat, the eggs are gonna cook, but they're not gonna scramble. We don't want clumpy, chunky eggs in this. They're gonna be silky smooth. So they're gonna cook just enough. Eggs cook at a super low temperature. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take from that oil and from that pasta water, with that egg and cheese, it's gonna emulsify together and it's gonna make this creamy sauce. You're gonna see it just transform. All right, go ahead. Just pour that in. I'm gonna start stirring.
All right, here, boo.
All right, good. Perfect, that's good, that's good.
It?
And look at that, see that? See how creamy that got right away? Now, fresh black pepper to end it, and that's it. Perfect, all right, let's get it on a plate. We'll spin it up on this, we'll make it real nice.
Plate it, I'm gonna grade the plate.
Okay.
I'm gonna be like Martha Stewart on your head, you ready?
Finish like this. Boom. And there you go. That's a carbonara. Quick and easy, simple pasta. Well, you gotta try it, you gotta eat it first. I mean, it looks decent, but now
the plate was good. I get a plate now. I ate a plate at 8.5 for sure.
All right, I'll take an 8.5.
And it had no little, you ain't do no little drizzle or nothing. You gotta get the dots. You know the little dots?
The little dots?
You a real chef,
that's for other shit though. You can't put dots on everything.
Why?
Because then it becomes not as special, you know?
Nah, I put dots on everything.
Just take a bite, let me know what you think.
It's a bit far.
There you go. I haven't tried. I mean, not bad, right?
Good.
Easy pasta. All right, guys. That's gonna do it for this episode. Kam Patterson. Check out his comedy. He's crushing it. And we'll see you guys next time. Peace.